We have to stop doing this.
Here we go again.
Kaibigan ko si Vanna. At si Elijah. Your son is sick. How would he react kapag nalaman niya na ang daddy niya at ang ninang Dara niya?
I love you.
Fred,
I loved you even before you met Dio. Pero iniwan mo ako at siya ang pinili mo.
isusumbat mo pa rin ba sa akin yan?
Don't I have the right? Alam mo na halos mabaliw ako nung nagpakasal ka. Hindi na kita makakawalan ulit, my sweet baby girl. Never.
This could ruin my career, Fred.
Walang makakaalam. I promise. I promise. Walang makakaalam.
I have to go.
Dara. 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 Dara!